Hi and welcome to The Pulse, your one-stop shop for everything life sciences news. I'm your host Owen Bynan and I'm with my co-host Emily Davis.
Earlier this month, the UK became the very first country in the world to greenlight a CRISPR gene editing therapy after the treatment triumphed in 2 global clinical trials.
Casgevy, the brainchild of Vertex Pharmaceuticals and CRISPR Therapeutics, is aimed at tackling sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia, conditions that are caused by defective genes that lead to abnormal hemoglobin production in red blood cells. This is a huge step forward, since currently the only permanent treatment option is bone marrow transplants, which requires finding a closely matched donor. But even then, there is a significant risk that the patient's body might reject the transplant.
The new Casgevy treatment works by going straight to the source, using CRISPR technology to silence the faulty gene within a patient's bone marrow stem cells. Once the edited cells are infused back into the patient, healthy hemoglobin production is restored and disease symptoms are relieved.
Since its approval, around 2,000 patients aged 12 and above dealing with extreme pain episodes will be eligible for Casgevy in the UK. The founders of the drug also expect further approvals in the US and Europe by the end of the year, after clinical trials found that 28 of 29 sickle cell patients were free from severe pain and 39 out of 42 beta thalassemia patients no longer needed blood transfusions for at least a year.
If you want to learn more about this new treatment and other significant steps forward in gene editing, head over to our blog, 5 Breakthroughs Shaping Gene Therapy in Q4.
In a recurring theme, we're back to fish. In our next story, it's been found that zebrafish have a remarkable ability to fully heal their hearts after injury, something humans cannot do. After becoming aware of this information, a research team at the Max Delbrück Center have discovered that the interaction between the nervous system and the immune system plays a crucial role in the regenerative process.
In humans, when the heart is damaged, like after a heart attack, it can't fully recover, meaning it's left with permanent damage. However, zebrafish have an extraordinary ability to actually grow new heart cells. In the team study, they focused on how the nervous system communicates with the immune system, especially a type of immune cell called macrophages, to determine whether the heart heals or forms scar tissue.
The researchers used transparent and easily modifiable zebrafish larvae to observe what happens inside. They induced injuries similar to heart attacks and played around with the receptors on macrophages. What they discovered was that signals on the autonomic nervous system, called adrenergic signals, are crucial for macrophages to do their job and for the heart tissue to regenerate.
By using genetically modified zebrafish, they found that the way signals are transmitted is really important for heart regeneration.
The researchers hope that by understanding how zebrafish signal differently to humans, they can figure out why human heart tissue doesn't regenerate very well. Ultimately, they want to find ways to influence communication between the nerves and the immune system in humans, prompting the regeneration of heart muscle tissue to help patients who have suffered from heart attacks.
Our third and final headline also focuses on the immune system, with a big leap forward in understanding exactly how our immune system works. Scientists have mapped a crucial part known as the HLA class II molecules, which help our immune system recognise and fight infections like viruses and cancer.
These molecules act like messengers, showing T cells what to target and eliminate. The mapping, called the Specificity tree, covers over 96% of the entire HLA class II system and helps explain why some variants are linked to issues like autoimmune disease or problems with organ transplants.
For over 20 years, the research team tackled the challenge of HLA diversity among individuals, dealing with different genes and combinations. Before this, only some HLA molecules were well studied, leaving gaps in our understanding. But thanks to advanced technology and big data sets, the researchers were able to figure out how different HLA class II molecules work.
This discovery is a big step in understanding the immune system, as it could lead to more targeted treatments for various diseases. Morten Nielsen's work in this area, especially in cancer treatment, has already been a significant contribution. And
that's all from us for The Pulse this week. But if you'd like to find any more insights, just head over to www.peoplewithchemistry.com/media-